Hi, and welcome to Sophie Andreu Digital Marketing Video Tutorials Workshops. I am conducting video tutorials and workshops for my clients all the time. I do have a online system that I make available to those who have taken my workshops or to membership organizations who subscribe to them. So I'm just in the midst of updating all of the material, and in that I wanted to share with you some updates. So one of them specifically is, what is the learning outcomes in Facebook? So obviously we're doing Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, SEO, and Google, as well as Facebook. And Facebook, I just wanted to share with you what the learning outcomes are. So basically, the approach we take is one that take a step back always in all of our video tutorials or workshops, and we review the elements. No matter how seasoned you are, there are always changes that you might not have known have happened that could help you engage your clients and get more clients and get more business. So that's what we're always about. We're always measuring our success on how successful your business is because of the learning you have through our workshops or our video tutorials. So we do this thing called like a visioning board of your Facebook page. What do you want it to look like? What do you want people to feel and remember when they see your post? So we start with that. Then we do the elements. Then we talk about how do you master engagement? How do you get engagement? Whether it's through videos, whether it's through live streaming, whether it's giving you tips on how to post, whether it's SEO and your social media post, in this case Facebook, very important. Simplifying boosting for you. How do you target your boosts to make sure your target audience actually sees it? Some integration. A lot of my clients, we integrate their constant contact with their Facebook pages. I'll show you that. Instagram, of course, is owned by Facebook. How do you leverage the power of that connection? Contests are still huge on Facebook. How do you leverage contests? Events are huge. I will sell out for my clients using just Facebook events on their branded Facebook page over and over again. So it's especially when their target audience happen to be women over a certain age, that works really well. And measure. How do you measure your success and how do you manage it? Facebook's one of the easier platforms to manage. So here are some of the things that we do. We talk about strategy, we talk about plan, we talk about my content management, which is something that I've shared with you in the past. It's my third rule. I talk about just realistically, what do you want? Just think of some basics. And I always relate back to, if you were a street vendor, how would you get someone's attention? So how do we do that on Facebook, regardless of where your target market is? We go through the tactics, the elements of your Facebook page, how to leverage each piece properly, how to, because there's a lot of new things that have happened on Facebook in the last year you may not be familiar with. All sorts of cool stuff you need to leverage. Facebook events now have Facebook insights that you can leverage and see which of your Facebook events are behaving the way you want, which are getting links, which ones are people are purchasing right from your Facebook event page. So it's pretty cool. And how to target your boosts. That's right. And how to target your posts. All sorts of different posting elements. Elements of a good contest, critical to growth, and some success stories so that you can see real posts and contests in action. I share with you the impact of the measures, how you need to measure yourself, and that's about it. And then I remind you, of course, that there are digital marketing grants out there that you can have if you're looking for your entire team to get certified, or if you want me to come in for your own company and help you be trained. There are some grants out there that are available. And I do certification. This is what this team has done, is they've actually certification for their team members on digital marketing. So that's it. I wanted to share with you some of the highlights of what's in our upcoming Facebook workshop, as well as what is included in the video tutorials for your Facebook learning and digital marketing excellence.